Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted in a while, but I will definitely be doing lots of other posts, so sorry I haven't been catching up, but yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Today's lots about like watermelon squishies and slime. So yeah, I've got some goo, that's like from Single. I got some like this like activator thing, but it's like all sparkly, and then I got like these my squishies. So you might have seen this squishy in some other videos, and it goes like, well, I bought them separately because the color doesn't really match. So that comes from Typo, and this one I just ordered on Wish from online. So yeah, this is my favorite squishy at the moment. It's like bigger than my head, and it's really cool. So I really like that one. So like even on the other side. And my favourite thing about it, it's got the little squirrel, and it's just so fun to touch. So yeah, that's really cute. So now I'll get my slime and put it on it. Okay, so just getting it now. So this is the slime. It's not the best though, but it's really cool still. Yes, I'm gonna put it on there. Just gonna flatten it all out. Okay, so it's like stuck on kind of now. So now I'm just going to press down. That's really cute. So putting it on this bit. Okay, so I'm holding in there. Okay, so yeah. I've got that, and so hang on, I'll go and get another ingredient. Sorry, I was gone for a minute. Okay, so I've got the other ingredient. It's just a bit of activator. I'll just quickly put it in my other bit of activator. Okay, so that's done. Now I'll get back to it. So now I will get my slime on top. It's really cool. And now I will get this. Okay, so squirting it on. Okay, so I've just squirted it on, as you can see. So it's got that. Yeah, it feels really cool. The slime's definitely like, it actually like feels sticky more. So I'm rubbing it into the squishy. It's really cool. The slime actually feels like more gooey. It's really weird. Anyway, so yeah, I'll have a turn with the slime. So you can just see that. Which is really cool. So that's really cool. Now I'm going to put on my mini one. So it's going into the squishy. You can see it's like a bit sparkly. If you can't see that, oh, there we go. It's a bit sparkly. So I'm rubbing it in. Okay, now it's on the slime again. So yeah, that's really cool. So I'm definitely going to post some more videos. If you have any ideas, please write them down in the comment below. And I will definitely get that suggestion in mind. And also, if I hit 15 subscribers, I am definitely going to do a lot more videos, and I might be doing like a giveaway for some squishies and stuff. So please subscribe and like and share this. So I hope you have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye.